Find the best anal toys on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 3 best anal toys on the market. 1. Njoy Pure Plug. This aesthetically pleasing, easy to clean butt plug comes in 3 sizes, making it accessible to beginners and advanced players alike. Testers loved the sensations of fullness and prostate stimulation the plug provided and found it stayed firmly in place once inserted. Of all the toys we tested, the Pure Plug was the easiest to clean, an important feature for an anal toy. Unlike some of the silicone toys we tested, the Pure Plug didn't smell funky after washing. The Pure Plug can also be used with oil-based and silicone lubricants, which are ideal for anal play because of their long-lasting viscous texture. While the Pure Plug was the most expensive of the toys we tested, its stainless steel material is indestructible, guaranteeing that your investment will last a lifetime. 2. Doc Johnson Mood Naughty 2. An amazing value toy made from high-quality material that offers peace-pot stimulation and feelings of fullness. Advanced users may find it too small, and its tendency to absorb unpleasant smells is a definite drawback. For those on a budget, Doc Johnson's Mood Naughty 2 offers incredible value for a silicone butt plug. Like the Pure Plug, it is available in 3 different sizes, offers great sensations of fullness and peace-pot, prostate, stimulation, and stays in place once inserted. Our male and female testers alike reported that it dramatically intensified their orgasms when used during intercourse. However, our more advanced testers complained that the largest size could have been bigger and that the toy had a tendency to retain smells even after washing. 3. Tantus Perfect Plug Kit. Perfect for beginners curious about anal play. The small plug is slim enough to work well even for absolute newbies, while the medium plug vibrates for an added dimension of stimulation. For those who are brand new to anal play or those who prefer a smaller toy, the Tantus Perfect Plug Kit is a fantastic set. It contains an ultra-slim beginner-level plug and a thicker intermediate-size plug that vibrates. These plugs are probably be too small to satisfy more advanced players but can help smooth the transition for beginners. 4. Double Delight Dual Penetration Vibrating Rabbit Cock Ring. Who needs a third partner when you have this anal sex toy? This cock ring has an attached dildo, so you get double penetration from one single person. Bonus, there's a small rabbit vibe attached too, for clitoral stimulation. 5. Luxe Beginner Silicone Butt Plug Kit. An anal training kit, at a gentle price point. Each plug has a tapered tip for easy insertion and a broad base for easy removal, as well as a thinner design for less intense pressure. 6. Beginner Silicone Anal Beads. Anal beads are a clutch way to experiment with butt play before anal sex, as they familiarize you with the sensation of fullness. This particular set has 10 beads that expand in size, so start with the first few and work your way up to the big guys. 7. Rimming Plug 2. B-Vibe is the brand for anal sex toys, so here's yet another from them, the Rimming Plug 2. This bad boy has rotating beads in the base, to mimic a rimming sensation, and a little extra width to satisfy those who want more fullness. But it also comes in a petite version, if you don't. 8. Tantus Ringo butt plugs. Once your tush has become accustomed to anal sex, or the like, via toys, the Tantus Ringo is your thicker, more advanced butt plug for a more filling sensation. The soft silicone pairs great with water-based lube for comfortable in and out action. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.